So today my topic is class in C++. So students, you are facing a problem how to create a class in C++. So first we know what is class. Class is a collection of similar types of objects. Okay. So here I am writing the definition of the class. The class definition. What are the definition in programming language? I am not writing any definition, but I am writing the syntax of class definition. Many times I am discussing this topic in a class, but you are facing a problem. That's why I am again making a video related to this. So what are the class definitions? So first you have to write the keyword that is class. CLASS. It is fixed. Okay. Now you have to write the name of the class. So I am writing in this commas name of class. Class name. Class name. So whenever you create a class, you just write a word class, then write the class name. This is the opening braces and this is the closing braces of the class, and use the semicolon to terminate the class. Okay. So this is the syntax of class. So what we do, I am erasing it, and now if I am saying create a class of person, so you have to write class, then you have to write person. So this is the class of person. So what is the name of the class? Class name is person, because we are writing in the place of class name. So class name is person. So use the keyword class and write down the name of the class name, then use the opening braces and the closing braces and use semicolon to terminate this. And what are the another step to create a class? You use some variables in the function. So here I am writing the variable declaration, okay, and use the semicolon. Now next is function declaration. As you already know what is the function, what is variable. Okay, so we are using the class. So by default these are the private members. Now I am making some variable in the function in public mode. So I am writing here public. Okay. And now here I am again writing the public variable declaration and the function declaration. Okay, function declaration, then semicolon. So whatever be the variable you are using here, this is in a private mode, because by default class every member is considered in a private mode, and these are the public variable and the function. Okay, if I want to make a class of person, then what data I needed? I need the variable, like I am writing here in variable, I am writing the char. I need a name of a person, correct? And what are the other things I have to require? If I want the age, then I am writing int age. Why we are taking the age in int? Because it's an integer number, that's why I am taking it in the integer form, and this is the character, so I am using the char. Next is function declaration. So I am just removing this. Okay, I am also removing this portion. I don't need any function here because I am making a simple program. Okay, so now when I'm putting the data of a person like name and age, then I need some function. So I make a function like display. So I'm taking a word like void display. It's the name of my function. Okay. So this is the class declaration. If I'm saying this is the class definition of a class person, कि ये एक क्लास की डेफिनेशन है, क्लास का नाम है पर्सन, आपने एक क्लास बनाई, इसका ओपनिंग ब्रेसेस है, क्लोजिंग ब्रेसेस है, टर्मिनेट कर दिया, वेरिएबल में आपने क्या लिया, नेम लिया पर्सन का और उसकी एज ली, एज आपका इंटीजर है तो आपने इंटीजर में लिया, नेम आपका कैरेक्टर में लिया, देन यू आर यूजिंग द पब्लिक, जो भी आपको फंक्शन बनाना है, मुझे डेटा को डिस्प्ले करना होगा, देन आई एम राइटिंग द डिस्प्ले फंक्शन. Okay, now terminated. So it is the way how to create a class.